Hello, welcome to Mark Explains Laptop RAM Upgrade. The first thing you should do with the laptop is to flip it over and remove the battery before doing any work to your RAM modules. So go ahead and remove it, and once the battery is removed, we can go ahead and use a screwdriver to remove the two screws that will gain access to the RAM modules. Once the access plate has been removed, the RAM modules will be exposed, and they have white clips on each end that must be pried away from the RAM module in order for it to release. You may use your fingers to pry the clips away from the RAM and then just pull the RAM slightly up and it can be removed by pulling it out of the slot. Both RAM modules are secured in the same way with the white clips that must be pried away, and you remove both modules in the same way. Like all RAM, it has a specific slot in the edge of the RAM that must be lined up when reinstalling the RAM. Laptop RAM can be easily reinstalled by lining up the slot and pushing it into the RAM slot and then pushing the module down to where the clips re-engage the RAM module. Once the RAM modules have been installed, you can replace the cover and retighten the two screws, and that's basically it. You have installed new RAM to your computer. At this time, you can replace the battery, fire up your laptop, and start to enjoy the better performance from the new RAM modules.